So last class we were doing graph, isn't it? How to find the solutions of pair of linear equations using graphical method. So is there any doubt in that method?
No, sir.
Sure. Everyone?
Sir,
Yes, Manya.
sir, I didn't understand that, sir. I guess I was absent, sir.
You were absent, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What you do is anyhow this will be uploaded. The session which you missed will be uploaded in the YouTube
Yes,
again.
sir.
That will be uploaded again. Watch it again. If still you're not understanding, definitely I'll do it again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You watch it
Thank you,
again.
sir.
Still you're not understanding, definitely I'll do it again. Okay, we have almost
Okay.
completed 90% of the syllabus. The last 10% is the situational problems. Okay, problems like based on age, or problems based on speed, problems based on fractions, problems based on money, all those stuff. Okay, these are very interesting problems. Definitely you will enjoy it. Okay, how many of you have school started with pair of linear equation?
Our course started with last week.
Okay, last week they've started. Anyone else?
And my
Sir, our school has finished it.
Okay, Vishwas has finished
Our
it.
school has also finished it.
Sir, 2 weeks. Before 2 weeks.
Okay, they've finished it. Okay, good. So most of your schools have finished it. Then you will. It will be easy for you guys, I guess. Others, it will be interesting. Okay, yeah. So I've in your textbook actually it is not in a proper order. All these statement problems are like they're not in a proper order. So we'll do one after the other. Okay, first we'll start with problems based on age. Okay, we're going to solve only problems based on age, then problems based on fractions, then problems based on 2-digit number, all this in a proper order so that it will be easy for us. Take down the heading as problems based on age. Okay, and these type of question are basically asked in some competitive exams. Okay,
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, can you tell the page number, sir?
Sorry?
Page number, sir, in the textbook.
No, I'm not following the NCRT textbook. I mean, I am doing the questions from NCRT, but I'm not following the proper order. Okay. In your textbook, all the questions are jumbled. I'm doing it in a proper order so that it will be easy for your exams. Okay. You can observe in your textbook, one age problem is in exercise 3.3, the other one is in 3.7. It is jumbled. Okay. Now we'll do all together at once. Okay. Take down the question. Just a minute. Okay, take down. 5 years ago, you have to be quick. Okay, since it's statement problems, it will take some time. Okay, 5 years ago, A was capital A. Okay, 5 years ago, A was 5 years ago, comma, A was thrice as old as B. 5 years ago, comma, A was thrice as old as B, capital B. Okay, capital B. 5 years ago, A was thrice as old as B, and 10 years later, A shall be twice as old as B. And 10 years later, A shall be twice as old as B. Full stop. What are the present ages of A and B? What are the present ages of A and B? Capital A and capital B. Okay. I'll repeat it again. 5 years ago, A was thrice as old as B, and 10 years later, A shall be twice as old as B. A shall be twice as old as B. What are the present ages of A and B? What are the present ages of A and B? Okay, so very interesting question. I'll just show you the method which I am doing. Okay, your teacher might have taught you in a different way. I'll teach you in a different way. Whichever is easy, you can follow it. Okay. So usually in age problems, what I'll do is I'll basically start up with a column. Okay, I'll make a box, tabular column. What I'll do is, who are the two persons in this case, A and B? Okay, basically we'll deal with past, present, and future. Okay, all three ages will be there: past, present, future. Now what I'll do is, let the present age of A be X and the present age of B be Y. Okay, which is what we have to find it. Okay. Okay, the present age of A is X and the present age of B is Y. That is what I'll do usually. In all the age problems, you have to find the present age. So I'll take it as X and Y. Okay. What is the past? How many years past are we talking about in the question?
5
5
years.
years.
5 years ago, right? So 5 years in the past. So the present age is X. What will be the age in the past 5 years ago?
5x.
No. Your age is 15. 5 years ago, what was it?
X minus 5.
10, right? 10, you just subtracted it. Okay. Your age is 15. 15 minus 5 gives you the past age. So your present age is X. 5 years ago, in a sense, you have to subtract it from 5. For both X minus 5, Y minus 5. Okay. Now, what is the future that we are talking about? How many years in the future are we talking about in the question?
10 years.
10 years. Your age is 15. After 10 years, it will be 25. What did he do here? You just added 10, right? Same thing. The present age is X. 10 years later, it will be X plus 10. It is not 10X. 10X and 10 into X. X jote 10 na multiply martira. That is a different thing. This is adding. Okay. Form a tabular column like this, which will avoid mistakes. Okay. I usually do like this so that I don't do any mistakes. Next. This is the basic thing that we have to do. Now let's try to get the equations. Okay. Listen carefully. What does the question says? 5 years ago. So I'm talking about the past. 5 years ago, Andre, I'm talking about the past. This is the past. So idr mele matra concentrate ಮಾಡಿ. Present and future mele concentrate ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Just concentrate on the past. X minus 5, Y minus 5. 5 years ago, A was thrice as old as B. So the age of A is X minus 5. A was thrice, and then 3 times the age of B. So 3 into Y minus 5. See, I'm talking only about the past. 5 years ago, andre past ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So I'm going to use only these two things. Okay, na? 5 years ago, A was, this is A. A was 3 times Y and 3 times B. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. X minus 5. 3 into Y is 3Y minus 3 5s are 15. Get the variable to one side, numbers to the other side. Transpose. X ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, plus 3y side ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus 3y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 15 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, minus 5 to the other side will become plus 5. So x minus 3y minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. This is your equation 1. Isn't it? Next, ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವುದು? 10 years later. 10 years later ಅಂದ್ರೆ future ಬಗ್ಗೆ. I'm going to use only these two things now. ಇವೆರಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. X plus 10, Y plus 10. 10 years later, A shall be twice as old as B. So A age ಏನಿದೆ? X plus 10. That is 2 times twice ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 2 times B. 2 times B age ಏನಿದೆ? Y plus 10. Simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. X plus 10 equals 2 into Y is 2Y. 2 10s are 20. Again, ಈ 2y ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ, 10 ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ. X ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, plus 2y to the other side will become minus 2y equal to 20 as it is, plus 10 ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus 10. Therefore, X minus 2y equal to 20 minus 10 is 10. Equation 2. You got your equation 1 and 2. Solve by elimination method. You will get the answer of X and Y. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
I hope there's no confusion here. Simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First, make a tabular column. Present age na X and Y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. How many years past are you talking about? Find that ages. How many years future are you talking about? Find that ages. Past ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ past age use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you're talking about the future, use the future age. Then form equations. Solve it by elimination method. x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, x minus 2y is equal to 10. Solve it by elimination method, you will get the value of x and y. And remember, it is a problem based on age. Andre nim x value, y value negative barangilla. X annodeno age, y annodeno age. Can the age be negative? No. If you are getting the answer as negative, you are doing something wrong. Be careful about that.
Sir, is y is equal to 20 and x is equal to 50?
I don't know. Let's wait for your friends to tell the answers.
Sir, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 4.
No. Come on. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. X is equal to 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x value 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ present age is 2. 5 years ago ಆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಹುಟ್ಟೇ ಇರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
Sir, x is equals to 50, y is equals to
ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ, x minus 5, y minus 5 ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ. So you have to think properly. Yes,
Sir, x is equals to 50,
Sir, my
y is
answer is
equals to
correct,
20.
sir.
What's your answer, Madhu?
Sir, y is equal to 20 and x is equal to 50.
Okay, what's your answer, Shisha?
Y is equals to 20, x is equals to 50.
Okay, yeah, that's correct, I guess. Yeah, they're both of you correct. Yes, any other answers? So x should be 50 and y should be 20. Yeah, that's correct. You can check it. 50, 20. 5 years ago, it will be 45.
Sir,
It will be 50. 50 is 45. Yeah.
so y is 20 and x is 50, sir.
Yeah, good. So take this equation, x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, x minus 2y is equal to 10. Solve it by elimination method, you will get the answer. Yes, Sanika, did you get the answer? Sanika, Adarsh, Bhuvan, Nisarga, Bhuvana. Vasudev, Shreyas.
Sir, can you read it once more, sir? I'm not getting.
Sorry, can I do it on the board? That's what you said?
No, sir, from first I'm not understanding.
From first, okay. Simple, ma. There are two persons. One A, another one is B. Averadu percentage ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಆ percentage ನ x and y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The percentage of A is x and the percentage of B is y. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 years ago, past ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ? 5 years ago. Percentage x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 years ago age ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? x minus 5. Simple. ನಮ್ಮ ಏಜ್ ಇವಾಗ 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 years ago ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 10 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 15 minus 5 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 5 years ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. So minus 5. Similarly, y minus 5. This is the x and the x minus 5. Y will become y minus 5. How many years in the future are we talking about? 10 years. So present age is x. 10 years admele x plus 10. Present age is y. 10 years admele y plus 10. The tabular column ready ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ so that it will be easy. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 5 years ago ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Just look at this, these two things. 5 years ago, A age is x minus 5. A was thrice as old as B. Thrice and 3 times B. 3 times B age in y minus 5. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ equation ಸಿಕ್ತು. Next, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು clue ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the hint that they have given? A age was twice as 10 years later. 10 years later and the future ಅಲ್ಲಿ. I'm going to talk only about this. A age, that is x plus 10, was twice, andre 2 times b. 2 times b. 2 into I plus 10. Simplify this, you'll get another equation. This is your first equation. This is your second equation. Solve by elimination method. You will get the answer of x and y. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Can I go to the next question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bad
Sir, what are the answers, sir?
X is equal to 50, y is equal to 20. That's the correct answers.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. In your textbook, instead of A and B, they would have given it as Nuri and Sonu. It is in exercise 3.4. Nuri and Sonu ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The same question I've given it as alphabet A and alphabet B. Take down this question. 5 years hence ಅಂದ್ರೆ future, okay na? Ago is for past, hence is for future. ನಾನು AGO ago ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ past ಬಗ್ಗೆ, hence ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ future. Don't get confused. Okay. Yeah, some people might know it, for others who don't know. 5 years hence, comma, the age of Jacob, 5 years hence, comma, the age of Jacob, will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years hence, comma, 5 years hence, comma, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Full stop. 5 years ago, comma, Jacob's age was 5 years ago, comma, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 5 years ago, comma, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Full stop. What are their present ages? 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 Yeah, try it out on your own. Don't worry if you're not getting, definitely I'll help you out, okay? Try it out. Even if you're doing a wrong thing, that doesn't matter. The important thing is you have to try it out.
Sir,
Yes?
hence is past, no, sir?
No, future. Hence is future.
Okay.
So as soon as I finish with this, I know you're given with MCQs, and I also got your reduced syllabus. I saw everything.
Sir, for state syllabus also it is reduced, sir.
State syllabus, I've not got it yet. I'm just following the previous year's reduced syllabus. Okay. Whatever was reduced for the previous year, I'm following that itself. I've also got the reduced syllabus of CBSE. I mean, it was announced, but I recently got it, the PDF form. So I'll form questions according to that, and very soon you'll have a test on this chapter.
Sir, can you just make the table, sir?
No, I can't. I want you to try it out. Try it.
Sir,
It's okay. Even if you make a mistake, that's okay. Try it.
okay.
the main thing is in mathematics, most of us don't try it at all. Like I can understand. Even I was in that situation. We'll be very afraid whether we get it wrong. And most probably we don't do it because our friends laugh at us, isn't it? How many of you are very brave to go to the board? You don't go near the board because your friends will laugh at you, right? You know. Let's not get into philosophy. Already I'm making you guys bored with mathematics. I don't want other tool. If God gives me any vara, I'll just ask my students have to keep their videos on and I have to look at their faces at least once in my life. For the first time in my life, I'm teaching to someone whom I have not seen at all. I don't know
I
who.
got the answer.
Yeah, Madhu, very good.
Sir, I got y is equal to 10
Okay.
and x is equal to 40.
Okay, I guess that will be correct. Yeah. There are so many students, at least Sanjana, Sanika, Shisha, I've seen in them. Ashrita, yesterday I saw, but I don't remember the face. I don't know. This entire year, whether it's going to be like this. Okay, Fida, this is the first time I'm seeing you. Good to see you. Thank God. God has given me some vara. Okay then. How many of you formed the tables here? The very important thing is first you have to write the persons involved. Who are the persons? One is Jacob. The other one is son. Isn't it? One is Jacob. The other one is his son. Now what are the ages that we are going to discuss about? Past, present, future. Past, present, future. Always the present age will be x and y. The present age is x and y. Okay. How many years past are we talking about?
5 years.
5 years. So the present age is x. 5 years ago andre x minus 5. Idu y minus 5 agutte. How many years future are we talking about?
5.
5.
It will become x plus 5. It's not 10. It's 5. Okay. 5 years hence anta helidaralva. So this is the table. Table sikta. Now, let's form the equation. What does the equation says? 5 years hence. Hence under future. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ future ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ age ಮಾತ್ರ use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is x plus y and y plus y. ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What does the question says? 5 years hence. Forgot the question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob. Age of Jacob is x plus y, which is 3 times the son. 3 into y plus 5. Ashte. So x plus 5 equals 3 into y is 3y. 3 5s are 15. Get this y to the other side. 5 to the other side. X minus 3y equals 15 minus 5. I just transpose 3y to the LHS plus 5 to the RHS. X minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5 is 10. Next, 5 years ago. 5 years ago ಅಂದ್ರೆ past ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಏಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5 years ago, the age of Jacob was 7 times that of his son. So x minus 5. This is the age of Jacob. That was 7 times. 7 times under 7 into age of the son. Age of the son is y minus 5. So x minus 5. 7 into y is 7y minus 7 3s are 7 5s are sorry. 7 5s are 35. What should we do now? All the variables to one side, all the numbers to one side. So plus 7y na LHS get transpose ಮಾಡಿ minus 5 na RHS get transpose ಮಾಡಿ. So x plus 7y sorry plus 7y set ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus 7y. ಈ minus 35 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. Transpose ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ transpose ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ minus 5 to the other side will become plus 5. So x minus 7y equals minus 35 plus 5 will become minus 30. That's your equation 2. This is your equation 1. Solve it using elimination method. That will give you the answers. Is it done?
Equals to 40, sir.
So what is equal to 40?
X.
Okay, x is equal to 40. Yeah, even Madhu got the same answer.
Y is equals to 10.
Yeah, I guess that will be correct. ನೀವೇ verify ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of age of his son. So 5 years 45 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 15 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 15 3s are 45. That's correct. Yeah. And remember the x values and y values in this problem should be a positive value because we are discussing about age. Okay, meanwhile, I'll write down one more question.
Sir,
Yes, yes, Manya.
sir, can you just do the elimination method, sir? I'm getting the wrong answer.
Sir, what is the value of y?
I've written it. Y is 10, x is 40. So let me do it here. X minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So I'll write the equation. First one was x minus 3y is equal to 10. X minus 7y is equal to minus 30. I want to eliminate x. X is the coefficient. Illu 1 ide, illu 1 ide. No problem. So both the coefficients are same. So I'm going to eliminate it. And both the coefficients symbols, signs are same. So change the sign. This will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become plus. Gets cancelled. Here it is minus, the new sign is plus. Both the signs are different, so I have to subtract it. 7 minus 3 is 4. Greater number is 7, so positive sign. Here it is plus, here it is plus, here also it is plus. Both are same sign, so I have to add it. Greater number is 30, 30 sign is positive. You have to check the new sign. Y is equal to 40 by 4. 4 ones are 4 tens are. Therefore, the y age is 10. Substitute in any one of the equation. X minus 3y is equal to 10. X minus 3, y value is 10. 3 into 10 is 30. X minus 30 equal to 10. Transpose minus 30 to the other side. It will become plus 30. 10 plus 30 is 40. Direct ag marthi. Therefore, x value is 40. Is that clear, Manya?
Yes, sir, I got it. I by mistake wrote it as 5, sir.
Okay. Yeah, your teacher will also by mistake give you 0 marks. Okay, everything is by mistake. How many of you are from Mysore?
Sir, me.
I am, sir.
Sir, I'm from Mysore.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Even me, sir.
Okay. Pragati, thank God you spoke today. Yesterday I was calling you, Pragati, Pragati. You didn't answer at all. You slept? Or you were eating chips? What were you doing? See, no answer now. Pragati, are you there?
No, sir. Yesterday I had an internet issue.
You're not there. You're there, right? Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. At least God is so kind to me that I can hear some of your voices. This is the first time that I can't see your faces. I don't know to whom I'm teaching. Those are simply you'll waste time. Okay, next question. I'm not going to help you. It's all you have to do on your own. Okay, make it fast. That will be the last problem based on age. You can check in internet. You'll get many problems, or I'll give one more as homework. Okay. Then we'll move on to problems based on fractions. Okay. I won't dictate it. I'll write it down. One second. So this will be, what will be the question number?
Now it's 36.
36. Aftab, AFTAB, Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you. 7 times as old as you. As old as you were then. Full stop. Also, 3 years from now. Also, 3 years. 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Find their present ages. Find their present ages. Okay, the question is on the board itself. The next one will be your homework. I guess it is the 8th one in the homework section. Okay, that's your homework. You can write at home. So I've done 4 problems based on age. Okay, this is an interesting question. 2 years ago, a man was 5 times as old as his son. Two years later, his age will be 8 more than, you have to be very careful at this point, 8 more than twice, 8 more than 3 times the age of son, sorry. 8 more than 3 times the age of a son. Find their present ages. Yeah, there are 2 problems on the board. One is you have to do it now, 36th one, and the 8th homework, do it at home. Yeah, we have enough time. We can do problems based on fractions.
Sir, I got Aftab tells his doctor that answer, sir.
Yeah, what's the answer, Madhu?
Sir, y is equal to 12 and
Okay.
x is equal to 42.
Okay, y is equal to 12, x is equal to 42. Okay, that will be correct. Yeah, 7 5s are 35. 45. Okay, yeah, that's correct. 3 years from now. Yeah. Good, Madhu, good. Yeah, whatever Madhu said, that's correct. X is 42. That is the age of Aftab. Aftab age is 42, which I have taken it as X. And with the other one, the daughter's age is 12, which I have taken it as Y. Okay, X is 42 and Y is 12. And this problem also, I'll give you answers. You can verify yourself. X is, one second, let's tell you. X is 42, Y is 10. The man's age is 42 and his son age is 10. Okay, I've given you the answers also. You can verify it. Has everyone got the answer?
No, sir. 2 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In 2 minutes, you're gonna prepare Maggie.
Sir, even I also got X equals 42 and Y equals.
Very good, Vishwas. Very good. Okay. So I hope everyone has got it. Let's move on to the next one. Can we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about Shreya, Deeksha, Bhuvan?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So I hope you're finished and you got the answer.
Yes, sir, I finished.
Okay, good. So let's move on to the next one. Have you copied the homework problem? Please copy the homework question and try it out. And if you're able to solve the homework problem, you can solve any homework any problem based on age. So I'm going to go to the next one, that is problems based on fraction. Problems based on fraction. Okay. Question number will be 37, I guess. Yeah. Meanwhile, whoever has finished it, you can write down the question. This is very easy. A fraction becomes 9 by 11. Mute yourself. If 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, to both numerator and denominator, full stop. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Yeah, make it fast. Let's finish it. Tomorrow we'll do problems based on money and problems based on 2-digit number. Yeah. I hope you have copied the homework question also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, tomorrow is your class, sir.
I'm not sure. Maybe it's not. I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe it might be or it might not be. Yeah. So I'll just erase this. I need space to solve. I hope everyone has finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to find a fraction, right? So solution, let the fraction be what? What shall we take the fraction as? Fraction ya form it will be in this form, right? X by y. Let the fraction be x by y. Let the fraction be x by y. We have to find the values of x and y. So two things kandidibeku, x ಮತ್ತೆ y. So we will get two equations. How do we get two equations? They have given us hint. What is the hint that they have given? First one, a fraction becomes, this is the fraction, okay? This fraction becomes 9 by 11. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to numerator and denominator. So I'm adding 2 to the numerator, 2 to the denominator. Is that clear for everyone? Fraction under x by y. That is becoming under equals. X by y is equal to 9 by 11 when 2 is added to numerator and 2 is added to denominator. Now what you're going to do at this step is cross multiply. 11 into x plus 2 equals 9 into y plus 2. Cross multiply. Okay. So 11 into x is 11x. 11 into 2 is 22. 9 into y is 9y. 9 2s are 18. What should we do at this step? Get all the variables to one side. 11x, 9y to this side. So it will become minus 9y. 18 is in the RHS itself. Plus 22 to the other side will become minus 22. So what do you get? 11x minus 9y equal to negative 4. Because 18 minus 22 is minus 4. This is your first equation. How do you get the second equation? They have given the hint. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes, and the fraction is x by y. If I add a 3 to the numerator and 3 to the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Again, what should we do here? Do whatever you wish, sir. Don't ask me. So you have 6 into x plus 3, 5 into y plus 3. So 6x plus 18, 5y plus 15. I'm just multiplying. Now transpose. 6x, 5y to this side will become minus 5y.
Yes, 5y.
15 plus 18 to the other side will become minus 18. 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. Equation 2. Solve it by elimination method. The equation 1 and 2 will get the value of x and y. Again here, this x and y are in fraction, alva. So these are the numbers of a fraction. So you cannot have x and y as negative. Fraction yavattu negative iradilla. Rational number negative agirabodu. But fractions cannot be negative. So x value and y value cannot be negative. Remember that. Okay.
Y is equals to 9.
Okay. What about x?
7, sir.
7. Okay. Y is equal to 9. Sorry. Y is equal to 9. X is equal to 7. 77 minus 81 minus 4. That's correct. Yeah. So x value will get it as 7. Y value will get it as 9. That's correct. Absolutely correct. Therefore, the fraction is, what is the fraction? x by y alva, so 7 by 9. Write it. Therefore, the fraction is 7 by 9. So equation 1 and 2, solve it by elimination method. You will get the values of x and y, which is
Can you do it, sir?
what meaning?
You do it, sir.
Sir, once you do it, sir.
No, what happened? Right.
Sir, it is really confusing.
Sir, it is coming wrong.
Y is equals to -3 I got, sir.
Oh my god. This
Sir,
really.
even I.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. So 11x minus 9y equal to -4. 6x minus 5y equal to -3. You have to take the LCM of 11 and 6. What is the LCM of 11 and 6?
66.
So what should we multiply here? 6. What should we multiply here? 11. So what do you get? 11 into 6 is 66x minus 54y minus 24. Okay. Again, 11 6s are 66. 11 5s are 55. 11 3s are 33. Now both the coefficients are with same sign. So change the sign throughout. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Again, minus will become plus. Eliminated. Okay. Next, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಇದೆ. This is minus, the new sign is plus. Both are different sign. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ sign ಇದ್ರೆ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 55 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 54 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 1. 55 is the highest number. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು sign ಇದೆ? Plus ಇದೆ. You should not look at the old sign, you have to look at the new sign. So plus 1y equal to, again, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ, the new sign is plus. Both are different signs. So you have to subtract it. 33 minus 24 is 9. 33 is the greater number. It has got plus sign. Don't look at the old one. Look at the new one, that is plus. So 1y is equal to 9. Andre y is equal to 9 anta aitu. Substitute in any one of the equation, you will get the value of x. Which I guess you can do it on yourself.
Yes, sir.
You do it yourself. The two more questions on fractions. Make it fast.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Charan.
So x is equal to 7.
Yeah, x is 7 and y is 9. Yeah. So the x value is 7 and y value is 9. Therefore, the fraction x by y anta bardidvalla. X value 7 ide, y value 9 ide. So 7 by 9. I hope everyone has got it. So I'll give you two more problems. Solve it on your own. First fraction x by y anta togoli. Use the hint and form the equations. It will be easy. So 38, I guess, if we add 1 to the numerator, 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. The fraction becomes, reduces is nothing but fraction reduces to 1. The fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. 1 to the denominator. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. Okay, 39th one. The fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted. When 1 is subtracted, when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to denominator. When 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. So do these two problems. Make it fast. So next class, that is after these two problems, we're going to solve with problems based on 2-digit and problems based on money. We're going to find the cost of certain things. Okay, I hope everyone has finished with the first question. Can I erase the question? First one?
Yes, sir.
So the fraction we have to take it as what? X by y. Okay, that is our fraction. So this is our fraction x by y. If we add 1 to the denominator and subtract 1 from the denominator, it becomes what? It reduces to 1. Reduces to 1 and it becomes 1 and cross multiply. This y minus 1 into 1. X plus 1 hange irutte. Send this y minus 1 to the other side. Y minus 1 into 1 is y minus 1 itself. Get this y to the other side. X minus y equal to minus 1 plus y into this side will become minus 1. Therefore, the first equation is x minus y is equal to minus 2. That's your first equation. Correct? Huh? So x by y is the fraction. So I'm adding 1 to the numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator, it becomes 1 ante. Cross multiply. So this remains as it is. Y minus 1 into 1 is y minus 1. So plus y to the other side, plus 1 to the right hand side. What is the next hint that they've given? It becomes
1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator.
It becomes x by y is the fraction. it becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1 to the denominator. I've just added 1 to the denominator. Cross multiply. 2 into x is 2x. Y plus 1 into this entire thing multiplied by 1 is same thing. Y plus 1. Get this y to this side. 2x minus y equal to 1. Equation 2. So this is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. Solve it by elimination method. You will get the answer.
Sir, the fraction is 3 by
3y?
Sir, 3 by 5.
Okay, x is 3, then y is 5. So that is the answer that you should get. X is 3 and y is 5. Very good. That's correct.
Sir,
Yes?
sir, in the elimination method, can we cancel out y also, sir?
Yes, you can. You can.
Okay.
Your choice of elimination. Whichever you want to eliminate, you can. Sometimes you can also eliminate the teacher if you don't want. After 7 o'clock. Not before that. So I can see some of them have eliminated me. There was 27 when I started. Now it's 22. 5 of them left. So the next one, I'll also write the answers. You can take it as homework and do it. X is 5 and y is 12. You can also finish it now. No problem. If you want to try it later, you can try it later. It's better if you finish it now. So x is 5, y is 12 for the next one. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
what are the answers for the first one, sir?
X is 3, y is 5.
Okay.
39th one, x is 5 and y is 12.
Sir,
Yes, Manya.
the first answer I'm getting it as y is 3 and x is 1, sir.
Show me a book. Let me check it out.
Sir,
Show me a book, Manya. Let me check it out. I'll tell you where.
sir, I'm using webcam, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
You hold your book like this.
sir,
Yes.
sir, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5.
Sir, you,
Yeah, that's correct. I guess it's Charan. Yeah, Charan, it's correct. Okay, Manya, I'll do it for you. X minus y is equal to minus 2. 2x minus y is equal to 1. You said you are eliminating y. You can do it. Illu 1 illu 1 ide. Minus 1. The coefficient of y is minus 1. Here also the coefficient y is minus 1. Both are with the same sign. So change the sign throughout. This plus 2x will become minus 2x. Minus y will become plus y. Plus 1 will become minus 1. So this is plus 2 plus 1x minus 2x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. 2 minus 1 is 1. Why am I subtracting it? Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ. So you have to subtract it. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1x. 2 is the greater number. What sign it has got? Minus. So minus 1x. The plus y minus y gets cancelled. Equal to. Illu minus ide, illu minus ide. This sign is minus. The new sign is also minus. Both are same sign, you have to add it. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 is the greater number, it has got minus sign, so minus. So you can cancel x is equal to minus 3 by minus 1. And getting this minus 1, I mean transposing it, minus minus gets cancelled, therefore x is 3. Now substitute in any one of the equation, you will get the value of y. Where did you go wrong?
Sir, elimination method, sir.
Yeah. So take down the next question. You can take it as a homework and you can finish it.
Sir, completed.
Okay, good, good. Okay, guys, if you have completed, you can leave. Okay. So 39th one, I've given you the question. I've also given you the answers. You can verify it. You got any doubt? Well, let's clarify it in the next class for sure. So that's it for the day, guys.
Sir,
Yes, Manya.
answer is 5. Y is 5, sir. I got it.
Yeah, good, good. So next one, try it at home, okay? I mean, you are at home itself. Try
Yes.
up.
Okay.
Yeah, anyone else, any doubt? At what time you will leave, sir? That will be the first doubt.
Finish, sir.
Okay, good. If you're finished, good. Good. If you're finished, excellent.
Finish, sir.
Yeah, if you're finished, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Bye and thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Manya.
I got the answer, sir, for the third. I mean, next one, sir. It is easy.
You really got it. Good. If not,
X is equals to 5, sir.
okay,
And Y is 12.
good, good.
Bye and thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Sanika, Bhuvana, and Shisha, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then can I end the meeting? Bhuvana, have you got any doubt? Okay.